So just before I get into the video, can I just provide some background context? So this week we have seen such big profits and losses on Wall Street bets with quite volatile markets, so this is going to be an interesting episode, so please do like and subscribe to not miss out on episodes like this in the future because I intend to make these every single week and I've got a playlist full of them, so go and check that out. But now we're going to jump straight in, so this is our first loss of the video. Now this is 64.86% loss, quite big, but nothing in comparison to what we're going to be seeing later in the video, so please do watch all the way through to the end. This person has lost $4,106 so far. That is very unfortunate, and this person is saying, "I'm scared, Papa Musk," implying that they have invested in Tesla stock. As we know, Tesla stock has actually plummeted since the making of this video, and even since before then, so that would explain why this person is scared for the price of Tesla. Honestly, I personally believe it was just a correction in the market, being as Tesla has gone up so high, but it's still not nice to see this person lose out so much. Now another person on Tesla here, this person has actually made money on it. Now I'm guessing this is something like a CFD where you can actually trade against it, so when the basically the price goes down, you can make money from that too. So this person, on the other hand, has betted against Tesla. I am presuming they have made 72,000 on one day and apparently 94,000 on open. So we can see here overall market gain is 94,000 and a percentage increase of 468%. Honestly, an amazing trade. Going against Tesla was clearly the one. This person has said, "I missed the up, but then I also got to ride the down." Fair enough with that one, and that seems to be a very nice trade there. So here we can see this person has actually managed to make a nice profit. So moving on to our next trader, this person has actually made quite a big profit as well. So let's go and have a look at their portfolio too. I think you're going to like this one, so please do watch it. So this person is on Nikola. This person is basically showing their huge one day gain from Nikola, and this is a $32,965 gain. Now I've unfortunately missed out the profit margin, I believe, but this is still quite a large gain from Nikola. It's nice to see this person again making such a big profit. Now this is similar to what I talked about with Workhorse stock. Workhorse stock was another one which basically rose as well, whilst a lot of the other technology stocks and electric vehicle stocks were actually plummeting. These stocks actually rose. So there were some stocks which you could have caught a nice profit on, and there are going to be a few of those in this video, but it just goes to show even in these difficult market times, somebody can see and find a way to make some money. So nice to see that somebody has managed to do that. So let's look at our next trader. Now this person has actually made quite a nice profit as well, so it's nice to see that somebody has made such a nice profit as well over, I believe, such a short period of time. I think this is a $71,000 profit among some other profits that I can see there on the screen. Very nice to see such a big profit from this person, especially in such unfortunate times. And one thing that I really do like from this one is the first comment, which says congratulations, and then something after that, which I'm not going to repeat. So nice to see that, but I can understand that a lot of traders are envious of this on Wall Street Bets, because a lot of people have lost out on money. And this is what I said in another comment in the comment section of the last Wall Street Bets video. Somebody asked me how these traders find profits so big and how they make such amounts of money. I say it's probably just luck a lot of the time, and this video where you will see some huge losses will point this out more than ever. So let's move on to our next trader. Now this trader is basically saying that they have gone for gold calls and made quite a lot of money on that, I believe. Now this is something I have said for quite a while, and that is why I decided to put this one in the video. Now, me personally, I have been betting on gold for quite a while with CFDs, if you know what they are. But yeah, I have seen gold as one of those which has been going up quite a lot in the past, especially with everything, well, stocks-wise going down recently. I think gold could potentially be the one for the future. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just trying to tell you a few of my steps and what I have done. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys have invested in, if you have invested in anything. And if you are enjoying the video so far, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because like I said, I make these videos all the time, and they're just going to get better and better as the market gets more and more volatile. So speaking of volatility, let's go on to our next trader. I believe this person has made quite a nice profit as well. So this person's on Robinhood, and they have made a profit of 387% on one day and an overall return of 281%. So this is on Robinhood. This person has basically gone up by $11,000, almost even $12,000 on one day. Amazing. And we can see this is on Tesla share price. So nice to see such a fantastic rise in equity and basically trade volume there, and an overall profit which is huge, especially for one day. Very happy to see someone make such a big trade. I'm very happy to see such a big profit. Congratulations to this trader in such difficult times. However, I don't actually know which day this was taken on, so for all I know this could be before the crash. However, at a price of $339, it does look like it would be more recent times. So let's move on to our next trader. Here it's saying that they have made quite a nice return, only a 3.76% return. However, this is actually quite good in such volatile market times. Nice to see somebody with an actual sensible trade and a nice realistic profit, basically. So we don't often see realistic profits on this site. However, this is a very realistic profit. Now I think the average return on the year is around 20%. That is basically considered a decent profit from the stock market. However, this person appears to have made 3.76, so almost 4% there. Nothing to basically be angry at or upset at. Nice to see that they have actually made $862 when a lot of traders have actually lost money. Now our next trader that we're going to be looking at has lost a substantial sum of money, and I'm sure you guys are going to like this one. So this person is happy apparently that they have lost money, claiming that they're happy that they have lost, I believe it is $153,000. This person is apparently happy for this. And of course, if we look below, there is a full-on story on this. So fair enough, if you are pleased with this, and if you can turn this one into a positive, I think that's great, because otherwise this one is going to be feeling so bad. So it's nice to see that somebody can actually manage to feel good about this one, whereas a lot of traders will be saying some horrible things about this and how bad they will be feeling. It's just awful. It's just awful to read how bad some of these people feel. So $153,000 loss there. Very sad to see. However, I'm glad this person is glad that they have learned something from it and can move on. So let's look at our next trader here. So our next trader is on Robinhood once again, and this person has actually lost money. So this person is down on the 1 day of 67.13%, and that is equal to $1,940, almost even $2,000 lost on 1 day. What a huge loss. And the total return is minus 89.63%. Now this is almost $10,000 at a price of $8,210 lost, and this is just one of those things that sometimes does happen with Wall Street bets. Now I said in the last video, this is just what you've got to watch out for when you are going into such random trades. This one does look like it was another Tesla bet on the price going to $500, and unfortunately that one just didn't work out, and this person has lost such a huge amount of money, especially when we look at that 1 day. Now unfortunately I didn't manage to get this person's account name in, but a lot of the traders on Wall Street bets, what I have noticed in more recent times, is they actually haven't been too frustrated at the losses, and they have been leaving some funny comments. So this one, however, is not too happy, going from 3.4 thousand all the way up to 35,000 and then back down to 4,000. So technically they have made $600 on the first price. However, it still hurts to see such a loss of 87.77% on the past week. Such a huge decline there when we look at that price, and this is basically minus $29,959.10, so almost $30,000 lost on 1 week. That is a really painful one there. And we can see this looks like it was Microsoft and Tesla options, so we can understand that when the pop of the tech bubble kind of happened, this one would have been caught out quite decently, because it did look like it was rising for quite a while and then it popped. So this person is asking whether they did this right. So I have seen this clip twice on the last, I don't know, 2 pages of Wall Street Bets. So I don't know if this person is legitimate or the other one was illegitimate, but this person is basically saying that they have made 458.27%. and this is $18,863. Quite a nice profit there. So we can see the spike in the candle there and the huge increase, and then it basically dropped. So I don't know what happened there. I can't actually read that writing there. So if you can read that, please do tell me in the comment section what happened. And if you want to go and find that post for yourself, obviously this time I have fortunately managed to leave the Redditor's name in there. Very happy to say I have done that. So this is a great trade. However, what we're going to look at next is not such a great trade, as this person has lost once again a huge sum of money. So this person is down 93% on the past month. Honestly, we can see a huge drop off there, and then it's basically been downhill all the way from there. Basically, we've seen a few spikes up, maybe 1 or 2 spikes up from that price point, but all the way from there, it is a huge decline. This person has lost $30,000, and that's basically 93.19% in the past month, and now their account is only worth $2,195. Honestly, that is one of the worst trades ever that I have seen. However, one thing that I am happy to see is this person does not look too frustrated, saying it's the easiest month of trading ever, probably sarcastic. Bowen taught them how to fly into the ground. So we can see that's kind of a joke there, so it's nice to see some positivity at least, even though it's such a bad trade. Now this is similar to what we saw earlier in the video. I believe this person has betted against Tesla, and what has happened is they have bought at the highest price, sold at a relatively low price, and made a decent profit. So it's nice to see once again a nice little profit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, feel free to check out any of the other Wall Street Bets videos. There are literally loads of them now, so I think that you will enjoy any of those. Please do subscribe if you enjoyed, and check out any of the other videos on the screen right now, because we've got loads of videos on the channel on a variety of different stock market related topics. So I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.